Welcome to this training session on inclined planes. We will look at how to draw an inclined plane of sufficient length to raise a given weight using the specified force. Again, we have a triangle which will help you remember the formulas. Just simply cover the item you don't know and then use the formula still showing. This illustrates the application of the various formulas. The examiner may give you a question that asks you to determine the length of the inclined plane, given all the other measurements. Here we need to know the mechanical advantage required of an inclined plane, which equals the reduction of force as shown in the drawing. So first let's see what the mechanical advantage is for the weight and force. To do that, simply divide the weight by the force, which give you 4. So the mechanical advantage is a ratio of 4 to 1. Next we need to know the length of an inclined plane that will lift the weight to a height of 3 feet with a mechanical advantage of 4 to 1. To do this, multiply 3 feet by the mechanical advantage of 4. This gives a ramp length of 12 feet. Then draw the ramp on a piece of paper, noting the lengths and scale. In this case we made each foot equal 1 inch. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.